Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here we are present to discover the fascinating world of biology. Today we are going to talk about the digestive system of birds. Birds eat food with their beak that help them to grind food properly. The food crossing through the trachea enters in the small bag known as stomach of birds. Here the food is broken down into small pieces by pouring several enzymes and chemicals on it. And for the first time the food is separated into several parts, and some essential parts are cycled AMDs sent to bird's body, to which later act as energy molecules for them. The food then goes into the intestine, small and then large, and then next it moves out of the body in form of uric acid. This was the short explanation about the digestive system of birds. Follow for more interesting videos.